to the Balloon Museum, where the art is totally interactive. Explore, touch, and even become part of the art as you wander through these amazing installations. Let's dive right in.
What is this thing?
Slime.
Do you see those glowing dots? They look like stars, but they're not. The AI Data Portal is a magical tunnel with mirrors and lights that show millions of pieces of data from cities all around the world. It's like walking through an endless galaxy of information. It is so cool.
So Theo, can you tell me about this?
It's a big balloon with a big like ugly thing inside.
What is the ugly thing?
A bird.
A bird?
With a sucker.
But did you notice how they're changing color when you get closer to them?
Check out the Spiritus Sonata, where spirit meets music.
No, this one, down here. See how he's changing color, the next one. Go in front of the next one.
Where?
Those big, bumpy shapes that look like notes, they're full of wind instruments, and when the air fills them up, they play music.
What color is it?
Yellow.
It's like a magical concert in a glowing, colorful world.
Oh my god.
In the swing, the balloons look like they're dancing, and you can join in too. When you move around, the big spheres bounce, spin, and even bump into each other. It's all about having fun and making the art come to life. Want to bring the art to life? In the Canopy, you can pedal a bike to power tree-like sculptures that glow, move, and even play sounds. You're not just riding, you're creating energy and connecting with the colorful lights all around you.
Try to push it now.
Say hello to Adda, a giant floating ball with spiky charcoal arms. As you move around,
Yes.
Adda floats,
I'll take that.
rolls,
Give that to me.
and even draws on the walls.
Go now on the other side. Go on the other side. Go on this side here.
It's like a living artist that never stops creating. So amazing to watch and interact with.
Go on the other side and push it back. Like Hercules, huh?
High five. Look at your hands.
Step into Let's Fly and feel like you're in a giant dream. The walls are covered with bright shapes and symbols, and there are inflatable igloos you can explore. It's like wandering through a colorful, magical city full of surprises. Meet Jinjos, a tribe of colorful, stretchy creatures that love to party. They come in fun colors like red and pink and range from tiny to giant. No one knows where they're from, but they've been spotted blushing. Can you find them?
Show me your dance pose.
Zeros is a sculpture made of 10 big black rings that slowly twist and move like a giant living creature. You won't be able to look away.
We're coming to the biggest pile of balls.
Hyperstellar takes you on a journey through the universe. A room filled with black balls, balloons, and a huge circular screen that shows cosmic wonders. The shapes look like exploding stars, but they're actually tiny water drops and bubbles zoomed in super close. It's like flying through space. It's so awesome.
All right, everyone can now enter the ball pit. Do not touch the lights. Leave what we tell you to and take a lot of pictures before or during the show.
Like you're a lizard. You're like a lizard in the desert hiding under the sand. Like a stingray hiding under the sand.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the show's about to
the
start.
performance is about to begin.
Which artwork is your favorite? Let us know and keep exploring the amazing world of inflatable
Ladies
art.
and gentlemen, the performance is over.